By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain the MVC pattern as applied to Rails. Rails is built using the Model View Controller, or MVC pattern. A visit to the user's index page at /users is diagrammed here. The first thing that happens is the browser issues a request for the /users URL. Then Rails routes /users to the index action in the user's controller. The index action asks the user model to retrieve all users, user.all. The user model pulls all of the users from the database. The user model returns the list of users to the controller. The controller captures the users in the users variable, which is passed to the index view. The view uses embedded Ruby (ERB) files to render the page as HTML. The controller then passes the HTML back to the browser. Now let's summarize the steps that our application will take when we hit the users/one route. The browser issues a request for the users/one URL. Rails routes users to the show action in the user's controller with one passed in as the ID parameter. The show action asks the user model to review the user with an ID of 1. The user model returns the user with an ID of 1 to the controller. The controller then captures the user data in a user variable, which is passed to the show view. The view uses embedded Ruby, again an ERB file, to render the page as HTML. The controller then passes this rendered HTML back to the browser. Now, on your own, write out the step-by-step process that a Rails application will take to render the users/new route.